This is my session plan in facilitating learner-centered. So, sector is aquaculture, qualification title is fish capture and situ, unit of competency, operate and troubleshoot low-power marine engines, and the module title is operating and troubleshooting low-powered marine engines. So, learning outcomes, respond to irregularities. So, learning activities, learning content, methods, presentation, practice, feedback, resources, and time. So, learning outcome, number 1 is respond to irregularities. Learning content, understanding illegal, unreported, and unregulated capture methods. Self-paced learning, presentation, define IUU fishing, its impacts, and global view. Practice require detailed documentation for all fish catches including species, location, date, vessel, and gear used. Feedback, observation, and oral questioning resources. FAO resources on IUU fishing, time 1 hour. So, here's the learning content for this session plan, and here is the assessment plan. So, written test scenario based question on identifying IUU fishing practices, performance test, simulated inspections of fishing vessels on focusing on identifying potential irregularities in catch, documentation, gear and species composition, oral questioning, verification of trainees' understanding, observation checklist, trainer assessment of trainees' availability to follow proper protocols for reporting suspected violations. So, here's the part D, or the teacher self-reflection of the session. So, we have here number 1. So, how effectively did they explain the complexities of IUU fishing related regulations? Number 2 is how engaged were the participants in understanding these concepts? Number 3, to what extent did the practical exercise enhance the participants' ability to identify and respond to irregularities in fish capture? And lastly, number 4, was the content relevant and impactful? So, ito po yung mga nilalaman ng aking ginawang session plan. So, fisheries regulations and legal frameworks, lecture discussion summarizes national and international laws and enforcement issues, and the practice is to inspect foreign fishing entering ports to ensure compliance with international and national regulations. The feedback that I've put here is peer evaluation, and the resources is global fishing watch map, and the time is 30 minutes only. And monitoring, control, and surveillances, MCS technologies, monitoring workshop, showcase VMS, ERS, and remote sensing for fisheries management, conduct regular patrols and inspections at sea and port, peer evaluations highlight, and the time is 1 hour. So, yun lamang po ang nilalaman ng aking session plan, at narito pa po ang mga ilang halimbawa na nakalagay. So, madami-dami pa po yan, and thank you.